Yo, what's up everybody? It's your name and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to drop off the face of the earth and land right in the heart of the Middle East. We're talking about Oman, people. This country is like stepping into a real-life Aladdin movie, but with way fewer magic carpets and a whole lot more adventure. Get those bags packed because we're diving headfirst into the top 10 places you absolutely have to see in Oman. Buckle up, this is going to be epic. First up, we're hitting the ground running in Muscat, the capital of Oman. Think towering mosques, bustling souks, and beautiful whitewashed buildings shimmering under the desert sun. You gotta visit the Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque. And when the sun sets, the Mutra Corniche comes alive. Imagine strolling along the coast with traditional Omani boats and a colourful sky. Muscat is just a taste of what Oman has to offer. Picture this. You're standing in the middle of a massive fortress, the sun beating down on you, and you can almost hear the clash of swords and the roar of ancient battles. That's Nizwa Fort, a history buff's dream come true. We're talking about a fortress that's been standing strong since the 17th century. You've got these massive towers, secret passageways, and incredible views of the surrounding oasis town of Nizwa. And the coolest part? You can actually climb all over this place. But Nizwa Fort isn't just about history, it's also about culture. Every Friday, the fort comes alive with a bustling goat market. So if you're looking to experience the real heart and soul of Oman, Nizwa Fort is a must-see. And trust me, we've got plenty more epic adventures coming your way, so stick around. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to leave civilization behind and journey into the heart of the desert. The Wahiba Sands, a vast expanse of rolling dunes that seems to stretch on forever. Imagine being surrounded by golden sand dunes as far as the eye can see. Bedouin tribes have called this harsh landscape home for centuries. For adrenaline junkies, the Wahiba Sands are a playground for adventure. Hop in a 4x4 and tear across the dunes, or try sandboarding. Chapter 4, Jebel Shams, on top of the world. Alright, thrill seekers and nature lovers, this one's for you. Get ready to climb high into the Hajar Mountains, where jagged peaks pierce the clouds and the views will leave you breathless. We're talking about Jebel Shams, the highest peak in Oman. Imagine standing on the edge of a sheer cliff, looking out over a panorama of canyons, valleys, and mountains. But getting to the top is half the adventure. We're talking about hiking trails that wind their way through rugged terrain, past abandoned villages, and up steep inclines. And when you're done conquering the heights, there's nothing quite like camping out under the stars. Chapter 5, Salalah, the green jewel of Arabia. Get ready for a change of scenery, because we're heading south to a place that feels like a world away from the desert landscapes. This is Salalah, a coastal paradise where lush green mountains meet turquoise waters. Imagine strolling along pristine beaches, palm trees swaying in the breeze. But Salalah is more than just a pretty face. This region is steeped in history and culture, a place where ancient trade routes once flourished. And for you foodies out there, Salalah is a culinary paradise with fresh seafood and exotic spices. But the real magic of Salalah happens during the Kharif season, when the monsoon winds transform the arid landscape into a lush green paradise. Chapter 6, Wadi Shab, the secret oasis. All right, adventure seekers, get ready to lace up your hiking boots and dive into an oasis hidden within the rugged beauty of the Omani mountains. We're talking about Wadi Shab. a canyon carved by centuries of rushing water. Imagine hiking through a narrow gorge, the sun filtering through the canyon walls. As you round a bend, you're greeted by the sight of a crystal-clear pool. But the real adventure begins when you take the plunge. Imagine swimming through these cool, refreshing waters, surrounded by towering cliffs and lush vegetation. And as you venture deeper into the canyon, you'll discover hidden caves and waterfalls. Chapter 7. Al-Huta Cave. Journey to the center of the earth. Get ready to venture deep beneath the surface of the earth, into a world of darkness, silence, and breathtaking natural wonders. We're talking about Al-Huta Cave, one of Oman's most impressive natural attractions. Imagine descending into the cool darkness of the cave, the air thick with the smell of damp earth and minerals. As your eyes adjust to the dim light, you start to make out the incredible rock formations that surround you. And as you venture deeper into the cave, you'll board a small electric boat that will take you across an underground lake. Imagine gliding silently across the water, surrounded by darkness and the echoes of dripping water. Al-Huta Cave is a reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world. Chapter 8. Surah, where the desert meets the sea. Get ready to set sail along the coast of Oman, where the desert meets the sea. We're talking about Surah, a historic port city that's been a center of trade and shipbuilding for centuries. Imagine strolling along the waterfront, the sun glinting off the turquoise waters. And as you explore the narrow streets of Sur's old quarter, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Imagine traditional Omani houses with their intricate wooden balconies, bustling souks overflowing with spices, textiles, and souvenirs. But the real magic of Sur happens at sunset, when the dhows set sail on the Arabian Sea. Imagine watching from the shore as these graceful vessels glide across the water, silhouetted against the setting sun. Chapter 9. Ras Al Jins. Turtle power. All right, animal lovers, get ready for an unforgettable experience. We're heading to Ras Al Jins, a protected nature reserve on the easternmost tip of the Arabian Peninsula. It's the dead of night. The only sound is the gentle lapping of waves. Suddenly, you spot her, a massive green turtle, lumbering out of the water. She begins to dig a nest, using her powerful flippers. Then, the magic happens. She lays her eggs, each one a tiny miracle. Weeks later, the baby turtles hatch and make their way to the sea. Chapter 10. Bahla Fort. Tales from 1001, Arabian Nights. Get ready to step back in time to a world of ancient legends, powerful jinn, and a fortress that seems to rise out of the desert sands like a mirage. We're talking about Bahla Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Imagine standing before the imposing walls of the fort, its massive towers and ramparts casting long shadows across the desert. As you step through the ancient gateway, you can almost feel the weight of history. And as you explore the labyrinthine passageways, courtyards, and chambers of Bahla Fort, you'll hear whispers of its legendary past. But Bahla Fort is more than just a collection of old stones and legends. It's a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the Omani people, who built this fortress to withstand the test of time. So there you have it, folks. 10 incredible destinations in Oman that'll blow your mind and leave you wanting more. From the bustling streets of Muscat to the serene beaches of Salalah, Oman is a country that has something to offer everyone. But more than just ticking off destinations, I hope this journey has inspired you to explore the world with open eyes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep living life to the fullest. Peace out.